Hi, I'm Latika, boss mom coach to working moms, empowering them with the tools to go after their career vision with work and life balance so they can reach their potential of being a boss mom. And I personally want to invite you to my brand new workshop, Refocus to Thrive. This workshop will show you not only how you can survive, but thrive in the midst of this storm that we are in right now. As a working mom, have you felt like you are lost or tired? At the end of the day, are you just drained? At the beginning of the day, are you just so consumed by overwhelmed because of the long to-do list? The things you have to do for work, the things that you have to get your kids ready so they're prepared for school for the day, the food that you have to prepare, or maybe you don't have time to prepare, you have to order. Have you been or felt lost? Have you been overwhelmed in this time? Well, if you're like me, the answer is yes. As a working mom of 4 kids, I have been overwhelmed. And I tell you, that first week of school with tech issues and so much more had me frustrated. Did it have you frustrated too? But I quickly was able to regain my focus, regain my energy so that I can carry on and make sure my kids needed to be where they needed to be in their Zoom rooms, to make sure I was able to show up for work, show up for work, and also show up in my relationship with my husband, as hard as it is, because I know as a working mom, the last thing we want to do is show up for our husbands at the end of the day when we are drained, when we are overwhelmed with emotions, when in our mind we have all these things that we have to do. But I want to show you how just with a few simple new habits, you can regain the energy, refocus your energy so that you won't be so drained, so you won't be so overwhelmed, so you won't be so tired and feel lost in the midst of all that is going on with us working from home and helping the kids with remote learning. So join me this Saturday, September 26th, as I show you a few ways how you not only can survive, but thrive in the midst of this storm. So I look forward to you joining me again this Saturday, the 26th at 4 o'clock for the Refocus to Thrive workshop.